So one thing eyafika kimi ukuthi ngithandazele lamadoda engiwabiza ngoba wavele wathi ngabona ukuthi amadoda azongena enkingeni la ngawathandazela amadoda ngathi anibonanga lutho. I pray nina nizoba lokho kulokho engikwenzayo, not what the enemy is trying to do kini. And let me tell you, Dlamini, we delivered that lady on the day by the power of the Holy Spirit. And when the lady was after the deliverance, then now sesihleli phansi naye sesiyambuza ke nomunye one of the prophet ukuthi what was happening, why were you here in the service, kwenzakalani? Uyasho ukuthi I know they've already told us ukuthi kunomuntu wase South Africa ba identify this man is prayerful, this man is like this and this and this. He came here to win also souls, so we need to distract and disrupt whatever they are inside. And mina in the area ngiyaye emasontweni and I sleep with pastors and abenzi lutho ngabakhomba baningi sengilale nabo. So mina I'm not interested ukuthi khomba how many pastors, but mina what I was interested ukukhuleka kwentombazana kwenzela ukuthi mission yok destroy the man of God, because one of the most important things as ngabantwana bakaNkulunkulu, we need to protect and save one another, not to criticize one another. Into eshaye ekakhulukazi ezikhathini zamanje ukuthi when anyone does a mistake, mhlambe let's say ephuma endleleni okanye yenza mistake, thina singabantwana bankulu ithini esithatha amatshe siphonse instead of helping rescuing that person. And thina we need, iBhayibheli lithi thina sinamandla thwalisa laba banjani ababuthakathaka. uNkulunkulu bekazi ukuthi khona abantu ababuthakathaka, and thina we need to intercede for those people, to snatch them from all those powers. So the lady was delivered on that day. I find out on the day ukuthi the lady had one full womb and a half womb.